How to use voice changer in Roblox Mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use voice changer in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your app store. If you're using Android, you can head over to Google Play Store. In this tutorial, I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps and the applications are same on both of the devices. So you're going to open your app store, go to the search bar, and you're going to search for voice changer live mic and then press search. So once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So there's no restriction, you can just download whichever you want, but I suggest this one. It's not sponsored video, but I prefer this one. So you're going to download this, click on open, and once you do so, you can simply start recording your voice, and then you can just add different mixers and you can completely alter and change your voice, and then you can enable this while playing Roblox, and all of those voice effects will be added to your voice. And that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.